You ready?
Not ready.
To the other side, okay? Hurry up. On your mark. Get set. Go. There she goes. Good job. Do it to the other side. Over here where I'm at. Angelina, do it over here.
Okay.
Come on, try your best. Come on.
I don't think I could do it.
I think you can.
Oh my god.
Cristi está pendiente por si acaso ella no puede llegar. Come on, mama, let's go. Come on, hurry.
Okay.
Get a deep breath. There she goes, there she goes, there she goes, there she goes. Good job. Good job. Look at me. Good job. How you feel?
Good.
That's great. You're doing great. My little swimmer.